lion. Once upon a time, there lived a fox who wanted to make friends with the lion. But he was very frightened of the lion. His friends tried to warn him about the danger in befriending such a ferocious animal, but he didn't listen to them. I will surely be friends with the king of the jungle, no matter what, he announced. The next day, when the lion passed his way, the fox approached the lion a little closer than before. The fox did not feel so frightened as he used to be before. Next time, the fox came even closer to the lion and asked him about his welfare. The lion also replied in a friendly manner. "King Lion, it was nice meeting you. Hope to see you again," said the fox, and he left. Now he had no fear of the lion. Eventually, the lion and the fox became friends. The arrogant swans. In a faraway forest, there was a river. This river was home to many golden swans. The swans spent most of their time on the banks of the river. Every 6 months, the swans would leave a golden feather as a fee for using the river. One day, a homeless crane saw the river. The water in this river seemed so cool and soothing. "I will make my home here," thought the crane. As soon as the crane settled down near the river, the golden swans noticed her. They shouted, "This river belongs to us. We pay a golden feather to the Lion King to use this river. You cannot live here." And the arrogant swans drove the crane away. The crane went to the lion and told him the whole story. The Lion King was angry with the arrogant swans. "Leave the river at once, or you will be beheaded," shouted the lion. The swans shivered with fright and flew away, never to return. The Wolf and the Dog. One day, a dog went to the woods. After some time, he met a wolf. The dog said to the wolf, "Brother Wolf, you look so thin. You should live with me and my master. He gives me good food." The wolf thought for a moment and replied, "Yes, you are right. Why should I be out here in the wild hunting for small bites of food when someone else can give it to me? I will come and live with you." "Good," said the dog. "Then follow me." The wolf noticed a patch around the dog's neck. "Brother Dog," asked the wolf, "why do you have that patch around your neck?" "That is where my master ties the leash around my neck. He does this so that he may keep me in my place," replied the dog sadly. "I would rather starve and be free than be fat and a slave," said the wolf as he returned into the forest. The coyote gets brown color. Many years ago, bluebirds were white in color. One day, a bluebird and his grandfather saw a beautiful blue lake. He stopped and asked, "Grandfather, can I be as blue as that lake?" His grandfather gave him a song to sing and said, "If you dive in this lake for 5 mornings while singing this song, you will turn blue." The bluebird did so and became blue. The coyote saw this and requested the bluebird, "Please teach me your song." The coyote also learned the song and did as told. The coyote also turned blue after 5 days. So the coyote strutted about in the forest, looking around to make sure all the other animals could see his color. But he paid no attention to where he was going. Unfortunately, he ran into a tree, fell down into a mud pit, rolled around and came out brown. This is how bluebirds are blue and coyotes are muddy brown in color.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.